and welcome back to Victoria's Educational Services, where I break down difficult concepts into easy steps. Today, we are going to continue dividing using place value discs, but this time, we are going to see what to do when we have a remainder in the hundreds or thousands place. Our objective is to divide multiples of 10, 100, and 1000 by single-digit numbers. By the end of this video, you'll be able to divide using place value discs for numbers in the hundreds and thousands. This lesson covers standard 4.MBT.6. Before we begin, here's the answer to my previous video's question. Please comment whether you were able to solve it on your own or if you need more help. I'll post another challenge question at the end of this video. Okay, let's get started. Our first question is, Jamie drank 4 times as much juice as Brody. Jamie drank 280 milliliters of juice. How much juice did Brody drink? I have my place value chart pulled up, and I'm dividing 280 by 4. Our first step is to draw our discs that represent the numbers in each place value. In the number 280, I have 2 hundreds, 1, 2, 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have no ones. I'm going to draw a squiggly line to separate the dots I drew from the ones I'm going to draw. My next step is to draw 4 horizontal lines because we're dividing by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, I have to start with my highest place value, which is the hundreds, and put 1 disc on each line until I can no longer split them evenly. But I notice I only have 2 discs, which I can't split between 4 lines. So I need to break those 2 hundreds down into 20 tens because there are 20 tens in the number 200. So I'm going to draw 20 tens to represent my 200s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, next we're going to split our 28 discs between our 4 lines in the tens place. Remember to cross out as you go so you don't lose track. And I'm just going to change colors here so it's easier to keep track of for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots in the tens place. So I'm going to write 7. And I have 0 dots in the ones place. I now have my answer, which is 70, 7 tens and 0 ones. Our next question is, a diner sold $2,400 worth of French fries in June, which was 4 times as much as was sold in May. How many dollars worth of French fries were sold at the diner in May? I have my place value chart pulled up and I'm dividing 2,400 by 4. Our first step is to draw our discs that represent the numbers in each place value. In the number 2,400, I have 2 thousands and I have 4 hundreds. I have no tens and I have no ones. I'll draw my squiggly line to separate, and my next step is to draw 4 horizontal lines because we're dividing by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My next step is to start with my highest place value, which is the thousands, and to put one disc on each line until I can no longer split them evenly. But I notice I only have 2 discs, which I can't split between 4 lines. So I have to break those 2 thousands down into 20 hundreds. I'm going to change colors so you see what I'm doing. And I'm going to bring those 2 thousands over to my hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, next we're going to split our 24 discs in our hundreds place between the 4 lines. So as I do this, I'm going to cross out my dots just so I can keep better track of them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so as you can see, I have no discs in the tens place and no discs in the ones place, so I can leave that alone. Your final step is to write the number of discs you have on each line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can see on each of my lines, I have 6 dots in the hundreds place. So I have 6 hundreds, I have 0 tens, and 0 ones, which gives me my answer of 600. I'm leaving you with the challenge to solve this one independently. I'll show the answer in the beginning of my next video. Comment your answer or any questions you may have about this lesson. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe so that I can continue to provide free educational videos. Comment with any questions or suggestions for tutorials that you would like to see next. Until next time, bye!